the important points to consider when writing a persuasive essay? In this video, we look to answer this question by highlighting the important points you need to write a good persuasive essay. The benefits to writing. Writing, whether it is done on paper, in a journal, or on a computer, allows you to show your own unique style of expressing your thoughts. At the end of this video, you can download your own free persuasive essay writing guide. I hope after watching this video, you will find it easier to write your persuasive essays moving forward. Purpose. Ask yourself the following question. What am I trying to convince others to believe, think, or do? With your purpose in mind now, you can go ahead with writing your thesis statement. Your thesis statement is the focus point of your entire essay. You must be convinced of what you're saying in order to convince others to hear you. A good thesis statement is a short and easy to understand sentence that clearly gives your opinion on a topic and what you think should be done. The audience. Before you begin writing the rest of your essay, you must first think about the audience that needs to hear your essay and be convinced. The arguments. The arguments you make will be the body paragraphs of your essay and support your thesis statement by giving more details. Transition words. Transition words are very important in writing since they help move the writing along and makes it easier for the reader to follow the path along which the writer began their journey. Now that we have covered the important points to consider when writing your essays, let's look at what not to do. Don't use general statements like, everybody does, everyone knows, nobody wants, anyone can see, last time I checked, this was still. Some ways not to begin your paragraphs. This essay is about, in this assignment I will share with you, I am going to tell you about, I think, my first idea is about. Of sample approaches to begin each part of your essay as you consider the important points mentioned in this video. With the introduction paragraph, you need to hook the reader. Here's a sample hook for your audience. Do you hate having to figure out what to wear each day to school? Well, for many American students, the nightmare is real. An example thesis statement. Students in American public schools should be required to wear school uniforms. Clearly state your ideas in your body paragraphs by using a topic sentence at the beginning of each paragraph. Make sure to use transition words often. Example. Not only do uniforms bring a sense of belonging, they also allow for a sense of equality among students. In your body paragraphs, use specific, not general, examples to support argument ideas. Also, remember to address the counter-argument. In your concluding paragraph, consider paraphrasing the introduction. Paraphrasing means to restate using different words. Begin your concluding paragraph with concluding phrases, and then restate the thesis statement. Use different words when restating the thesis statement. Be sure to have a powerful closing in your conclusion paragraph. Close your paragraph with a memorable statement. Leave the reader thinking about what you said. You can end with an intriguing statement or question. For example, finding who we are in school means that we don't judge each other based on the clothes we wear, but how we act towards one another. I hope with these sample essay approaches, you will find it easier to write your essays in school and when taking tests of English, such as the TOEFL, IBT, or IELTS. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and please remember to like, share, and subscribe to EduKitchen Recipes for Learning. What did you think of our persuasive essay topic? Do you agree or disagree on the topic of wearing uniforms in public schools? Let us know in the comments below.